I'm Antonia from Embroidery Playground. Have you made an in the hoop project before? Stick around to see just how easy it is to make this simple bifold wallet from embroideryplayground.me. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button for more fun embroidery and crafting videos to come. Hi, today we're going to be making an in the hoop bifold wallet with 2 credit card slots as well as pocket for your cash. This design is available at embroideryplayground.me if you want to stop by and pick it up. The link is in the description below. So we're going to start by getting our materials together. You will need a 5x7 hoop with tearaway stabilizer, 2 pieces of vinyl measuring 4 by 8 inches each, one for the outer wallet and one for the inner, a 2.5 by 8 inch piece of vinyl. You can use clear as I'm doing here, or you can use a regular vinyl, and that will be for the credit card pockets. And you will also need a piece of 4 by 8 inch lining material. I'm using Olefun. It comes in a 12 by 12 sheet like this, like in a pack like this, or it will also come on a bolt from Joann's or Walmart, Hobby Lobby. You can find it at all the craft stores, usually in the utilities fabrics. So that's what we're going to be using today. Now the first step, I'm going to set all this aside. The first step will be to stitch our placement lines for our first material. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the machine and stitch that now. Alright, so we've got our tack down stitched down for our main material. And you'll notice that we've stitched 2 little tick marks here. So on each side of the tick marks, this one has a smaller gap here, and this is a wider side. The wider side is the bottom of your wallet. So this is where the pocket will be. So what you're going to want to do next is use these tick marks. I left my jump stitch attached. Your machine might cut jumps, and that's fine. You can just use the markings here. But I'll leave my jump stitch attached. That way it will give me an additional security on placement. So you will put your clear vinyl down, or your pocket vinyl anyway. It doesn't have to be clear. You can use regular vinyl if you choose. So you would put that piece down on the wider side with the top edge lined up right with those tick marks. So I'm going to go ahead and tape that in place. Just so it doesn't shift. And the next step will be the tack down, and it's going to stitch the center line and go around 3 sides to secure this piece in place. Alright, so we've got our pocket stitched down. It is securely in place, so we can remove our tape. And you'll flip your hoop over. And next, I'm going to be putting the lining onto the back of the hoop, covering our placement stitches. And I'm just going to tape it right in place, just like that. So I'm going to take this back to the machine and stitch the next step, which is the tack down. It'll go all the way around all 4 sides to secure that lining in place. Alright, so we've got our lining stitched in place. It's stitched all the way around. And next, we will be putting our outer material on the back of the hoop. So make sure that you know which side is your top and which is your bottom, especially if you're using a directional material as I am here. So I'm going to flip my hoop over, making sure that this is the top. So here's the top, and I want to put my directional fabric or material just like that, and go ahead and tape it down so it doesn't shift. Just like that. So now I'm going to stitch the final step, which will be stitching around 3 sides to secure the backing in place. Alright, so we've got our backing tacked down around 3 sides here, so it leaves your pocket open. We're going to go ahead and take our tape off. And remove the project from the hoop. And trim up any jumps or tails that you may have. I've got a little tail on the back here. Okay. So we're all trimmed up. Now we're going to tear away all our stabilizer. Okay, now that we've got our design all cleaned up, we've got our stabilizer and our jumps trimmed. The next thing we're going to do is trim all the edges. So I use my ruler and my rotary cutter, and I'll line up the 1/8 of an inch mark right on the stitch line all the way around for all 4 sides, and then just trim it with my rotary cutter just like that. So it gives you a nice clean edge all the way around. And I'll do the same thing to all 4 sides. Just like that. And we're done. And see the lining in there? And our pockets? And our vinyl on the outside. So you just fold it right in half, and then as it's used, it will mold just like, any new store-bought wallet made of leather or anything like that. It will mold and warm up and stay closed with your money in it or your cards. This is, just a small little wallet. It's perfect for children. That's why the ones that I keep doing are for kids, because I've got lots of little boys in my life. So this will be a cute little gift for all of them. But that's our little wallet. I think it's super cute and very easy to stitch. This entire project took me under 20 minutes to stitch from start to finish. And that was, stopping for recording and such. But overall, quick little project, great for beginners. See, now wasn't that easy? This wallet is a great beginner project. It's super simple, super quick to stitch out. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.